Welcome. In this video, we will discuss how to hide that you read a message on WhatsApp with the latest updates. Let's explore the steps together. To conceal your read status on WhatsApp, follow these steps. 1. Disable read receipts. Open WhatsApp and tap the three-dot menu icon located in the upper right corner. Select Settings. Tap on the Privacy option from the list. Toggle the Read Receipts switch to the off position to disable read receipts. This action also prevents you from seeing if others have read your messages. 2. Turn off Last Online Time. In the same Privacy section, you can manage who sees your last online time. Navigate to Last Seen and Online. Choose Nobody from the options provided to hide your last online time from others. By turning this feature off, you won't be able to see the last online time of other users if they have also disabled this setting. By following these steps, you can effectively hide that you read a message on WhatsApp while maintaining your privacy and control over your online status within the app. With these updated features, managing your privacy settings on WhatsApp has been made more convenient and customizable. Thank you for watching, and enjoy discreetly managing your read receipts and online status on WhatsApp.